Understanding, make a quick buck. English idioms explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, make a quick buck. Understanding idioms like this one is key to mastering the English language, as they often pop up in everyday conversations, movies, and books. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Make a quick buck is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of earning money quickly and often with minimal effort. It's important to note that this phrase sometimes carries a connotation of making money through means that are not necessarily ethical or sustainable in the long term. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember their meanings. The phrase, make a quick buck, originated in the United States. The word, buck, is a slang term for dollar, and its use dates back to the 18th century. The term, quick, in this context emphasizes the speed and ease of the money-making process. To get a better grasp of how make a quick buck is used, let's look at some examples. 1. He's always looking for a way to make a quick buck, even if it means cutting corners. 2. The street vendors were making a quick buck selling souvenirs during the festival. 3. She doesn't care about a career. She just wants to make a quick buck. There are several other idioms and phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. Some of these include, turn a fast profit, make easy money, get rich quick. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, make a quick buck. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this idiom with confidence in your conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, adding color and cultural context to the language. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.